Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a clean and undecorate with me for summer of 2020, and this is in preparation for my fall decorating, and I am so excited. So you guys know I don't like to really go above and beyond when it comes to home decor or anything like that. I do like to have a more simplistic approach and just do little things here and there, but some of this decor has been out since spring because I do like to do simple transitions from one season to the next. But because we are approaching fall, I wanted to change some things up and add some more fall traditional colors and things of that sort. So I'm just going to be going room to room and collecting things that I know for sure that I won't be using, and then also set aside items that I might potentially use with my fall decor, just types of greenery and things of that sort that I could throw in there. But I will be sharing my fall decorate with me video this coming Friday, August the 21st, so be on the lookout for that video. It will be my first ever decorate with me video, and I am so excited. So fall is my absolute favorite season and I cannot wait. But I went ahead and started in the kitchen. So as you guys see here, we have these little spice shelves that my husband John built, and I just like to do little things to that. So since the spring and summer months, I have had lavender little stems in there and greenery and things like that, but it is time to put all of that away. So now we are approaching the fall months, and I am just so excited to start incorporating those colors. So you will probably notice, like I said, I do have a little stockpile there of greenery, and those are items that I could potentially still be using when I decorate for fall. So I do just have this one tote that I keep my spring and summer decor in because, like I said, I don't have a lot of it, and I do just like to keep a simple transition from one season to the next. But next I went into my living room and just took down things that I knew I would not be using, like some faux succulents and certain pillows and throws and things like that, because I do have some new pieces that I want to incorporate with my fall decor. And yeah, so that's just what I go about, like that's just how I go about decorating, so and undecorating. And I've noticed that for me in the past, I used to keep everything out and then just switch it out as I decorated for the next season, but I've noticed that I work better when I have a completely clear slate. So our house currently looks very empty, and you guys will see that at the end of this video once everything is put away. But I wanted to remove some pillow covers. You guys know my love for those, and like I said, I do have some new pieces that I'm wanting to bring out for fall, so those will be out very soon. But just starting with a clean slate and just seeing what areas I want to focus on as far as decorating and whatnot just really helps me. So that's what I like to do. So some of these blankets I did want to put away, like this particular one I wanted to keep for the winter, and then I did decide to keep a few of them out just because I knew I wasn't going to be decorating for fall for a few more days, and we do use these blankets all the time, so I didn't want to leave us with nothing. But these will be coming down, they are just temporary, so if you're wondering what is going on, that's what it is.
Okay, so as you guys can see, things are looking pretty bare in here, but that's all right. I feel like this just helps me to focus on how I want to decorate when it comes to decorating for fall, or just really any seasonal decor. But I just changed out a few of my blankets, and those are only there now because we will need some blankets in the meantime until I start to actually decorate. And then over here is super bare too. I took down those plants, and this honestly was already pretty bare in general, but I'm probably going to remove this guy too. And yeah, so we will see. I've been trying to figure out how I want to decorate this area here for fall, but we'll see. But anyway, I did leave, you guys probably noticed, I did leave like this greenery here only because I don't have enough like fall picks and things like that, so little pops of green is totally fine by me. And to be honest, I don't want to go out and buy anything else, so probably gonna leave that there. This piece here, seems like I use that all the time in the fall, and plus it's like the fall colors and whatnot I'm going for. So everything you see that I left will be more than likely still used as my decor. But I might change this bench out with this bench, and we'll see how that looks. I don't know if it'll look that great or not, but I think adding in this lighter bench over here will tie in with that big basket, so we'll see how that looks. But anyway, and then moving on into the kitchen. So I still have to do some dishes and vacuum and whatnot, but I did leave out this greenery because again, I might use this somewhere, even if it's like in bedrooms or bathrooms or wherever. I kept that out along with, and I still gotta wipe down my dining room table too, but anyway, along with all of this stuff. So I will probably end up using these for fall. Might use this little stand as well, and just these random things so elsewhere throughout the house. So I kept this out, like I said, just in case I end up using it again. But yeah, so overall, like I said, everything is looking pretty bare, which it wasn't like super decorated anyway, but that's all right.
Okay, you guys, so now everything has been undecorated. I know that didn't take very long at all, but I'm gonna go ahead and start my cleanup process. So I like to go ahead and just dust everything, and then I will vacuum my floors after that is done. So I don't know about you guys, but it seems like every time I decorate or undecorate areas in my home, it just feels so much more dusty and stuff. I don't know why, but it does seem like that. So anyway, you guys will see me here just dust everything off, and Jack running around again like a wild man. The boy, he cracks me up, but he keeps me entertained too. So anyway, but yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. So let's go ahead and get to cleaning. So once everything has been dusted, I went ahead and vacuumed the living room as well. So I am using my new vacuum. So I mentioned this in my last video, but I recently purchased a Bissell 3-in-1 vacuum stick from Walmart, and it was only $20. So whenever I found out that it was only $20, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical, even though I am always about a good deal. A $20 vacuum didn't seem too promising, but I was watching Simply Kaylee one evening, and she has one, and she was talking about how she really liked hers, and I was actually looking for a new vacuum, and so I decided for 20 bucks I would give it a shot. And to my surprise, I love this thing. So the suction on it is great. and I vacuum my hardwood floors, I'll vacuum my area rugs, and I even have 2 carpeted rooms in our home that are the boys' bedrooms, and it works great. So if you are in the market for a new vacuum that is very easy to handle, I think this thing only weighs like 4 pounds or something crazy. It's extremely light, but again, it works great. So definitely check out Walmart, and it does come in multiple colors as well. So I will leave it linked down below for you guys if you are interested and want to check it out. Okay, so moving along into the kitchen. So I did have some dishes in the sink that I wanted to go ahead and just clear out, because if I am cleaning my whole house, I decided to just go ahead and pick up everything else that I had. That way I didn't have anything left over at the end, and it was just a fresh start. While we are washing dishes, I want you guys to let me know, what are you decorating for fall? Like, what color schemes are you going with? Are you going more traditional colors? Are you going more neutral tones and whatnot? Just let me know, because I'm always curious how people decorate their homes, and I normally do more of the neutral tones, but I'm really loving all of the traditional colors this year. And because our home is becoming more of a warmed tone home, we've painted some walls, and like you guys see here, we do have darker colored cabinets in our kitchen and whatnot. So it just seems like the traditional colors in our home this year will work really well and balance out. But just curious, what colors are you guys using, and also what are you looking forward to the most about this fall season? Now to pick up this side of the kitchen. So I decided to keep all of that greenery that I am planning to keep out just in case for my fall decorating, just in little baggies, so that way I have easy access to it and I can use it for filler and whatnot if needed. But I'm also going to wipe down the countertops, and I'm actually using the Everspring brand. They are multi-surface wipes from Target, and they're new to me and I really like them. So this is the lemon and mint scent that I have. So if you haven't checked out the Everspring line at Target, I highly recommend it. To me, not all of the scents are very strong, but I do like this lemon and mint. It's really fresh, and yeah, so you guys should totally just check it out. And one of the last things I wanted to show you guys, so this is our hallway bathroom, and I do have 4 floral photo frames that I've had up for quite a while now, but I wanted to switch those out because they did have more of a spring and summer vibe, and I had some extra baskets hanging around my house, so I wanted to put those up, and I think it just makes it look so much more warm and a lot better for the fall and winter months that we are approaching. So just went ahead and changed those out, and then of course while I was in the bathroom I wiped everything down as well, and I also changed out a faux plant that I have. So just a little tip you guys will see here in just a second, any of the loose greenery that I have, I do sometimes like to make my own little faux plants with. So I just use plastic baggies to put inside of the planters, and then just exchange the greenery from one planter to the next, and it just gives it a fresh look. Alright you guys, and here you have it. So I know, like I said, I didn't have a whole lot to put away, so it's not an extreme like makeover or anything like that, but my house does feel extremely bare and I'm excited to bring out my fall decor. So if you guys enjoy these clean, and this is an undecorate, but looking forward to the decorate with me videos, stay tuned. There will be another one on Friday. It will be my fall decorate with me for 2020. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoy these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.